Write this mathematical sentence using algebra. And the sentence is, a number x is divided by 5, then 4 is subtracted from the result. The final answer is less than or equal to 7. And we have 4 possible answers. So firstly, we have a number x. So x is known as a variable. A variable is a letter in the place of a number. And that number is divided by 5. So we can write it as a fraction, x divided by 5. Then 4 is subtracted from the result. So we subtract 4. We're not saying x minus 4 because we need to subtract 4 from the result of this division. So we have the division first and then subtract 4 from it. The final answer is less than or equal to 7. So we indicate less than or equal to 7. So less than we indicate with the mouth open to the bigger number, and equal to is a little line under that inequality. Now let's see if this answer is in one of our 4 options, and we can see that option A has that same value. So the correct answer is A.